Cells don't just appear, they come from other cells. Hello, I am Georgia from Mentivia. Welcome back to our journey through the foundational principles of biology. Today, we uncover the third and final tenet of the cell theory, that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. This powerful statement, largely championed by Rudolf Virchow, fundamentally changed our understanding of how life perpetuates itself, directly challenging earlier, less scientific notions. For centuries, the prevailing belief was in spontaneous generation, the idea that living organisms could simply emerge from non-living matter. Think of maggots appearing on rotting meat, or mice from dirty hay. Scientists like Francesco Redi and Louis Pasteur conducted experiments to disprove this, but it was Virchow who firmly established the cellular origin of all life. His famous dictum, omnis cellula e cellula, meaning every cell from a cell, became a cornerstone of modern biology. So, if new cells don't just appear out of nowhere, how do they come into being? The answer lies in the remarkable process of cell division. This is the fundamental mechanism by which a parent cell divides to form two or more daughter cells. It's how organisms grow, repair themselves, and reproduce. Before any cell can divide, it must first ensure that each new daughter cell receives a complete set of genetic instructions. This crucial step is called DNA replication. During replication, the cell makes an exact copy of its entire DNA genome, ensuring that the genetic blueprint is faithfully passed on. In eukaryotic cells, the process of nuclear division is called mitosis. Mitosis is a highly organized process that ensures the precise distribution of replicated chromosomes into two new genetically identical nuclei. This process is fundamental for growth, tissue repair, and asexual reproduction in many organisms. Prokaryotic cells, being much simpler, divide through a process called binary fission. This is a more straightforward method where the single circular chromosome replicates and the cell then elongates and divides into two identical daughter cells. Binary fission allows prokaryotes to reproduce very rapidly, contributing to their widespread success. Following the division of the nucleus, the final step in cell division is cytokinesis. This is the physical process where the cytoplasm of the parent cell divides, resulting in two distinct, fully functional daughter cells. Each new cell is now an independent entity, ready to carry out its own life processes. The implications of all cells arise from pre-existing cells are profound. For multicellular organisms, this tenet explains growth and development. A single fertilized egg cell, or zygote, undergoes countless rounds of cell division to form an entire complex organism. Each division adds more cells, allowing the organism to grow in size and complexity. Beyond growth, cell division is absolutely essential for the repair and replacement of damaged or old cells. When you cut yourself, new skin cells divide to heal the wound. Red blood cells, which have a limited lifespan, are constantly replaced by new cells produced in the bone marrow. This continuous turnover ensures tissues and organs remain healthy and functional. This tenet is also fundamental to reproduction. In asexual reproduction, a single parent cell divides to create genetically identical offspring, and as seen in bacteria or budding yeast. In sexual reproduction, specialized cells called gametes, sperm and egg, are produced through meiosis, a type of cell division that reduces chromosome number. Their fusion then leads to a new organism, which subsequently grows through mitotic cell divisions. Ultimately, the third tenet underpins the entire continuity of life on Earth. It means that every living cell, including those in our own bodies, can trace its lineage back through an unbroken chain of cell divisions, all the way to the very first cells that originated billions of years ago. It's a testament to the enduring power of cellular reproduction. In summary, the third tenet of the cell theory, all cells arise from pre-existing cells, is not just a statement of fact, but a profound insight into the very nature of life. It explains how organisms grow, how they heal, and how life itself persists through generations, forming an unbroken chain from the past to the present and into the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep expanding your knowledge, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's the easiest way to stay connected and never miss new content. For even more free educational resources, head over to mentivia.com, your hub for videos, e-learnings, and articles across science, history, and beyond.